Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine Garcia and I will be discussing the endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of cells, glands, tissues, and organs that expel hormones. These hormones communicate with specific corresponding cells known as intracellular hormone receptors to release a response that controls and regulates body processes. These hormones travel primarily through the bloodstream but also through other body fluids. Intracellular hormone receptors can trigger upregulation or downregulation. This is a response that is caused by the number of receptors that respond to a hormone. In other words, if an excess amount of hormones are produced, then receptors will either increase or decrease. An increase will cause a rise in cellular activity, and a decrease will cause a reduced amount. Because hormones travel through the bloodstream, it takes longer for them to have an effect. These processes occur from endocrine glands, where they have a function in specific organs. The pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, pancreas, gonads, adrenal glands, hypothalamus, and pineal gland are all part of the endocrine system. For the purpose of this brief presentation, I will be going over the adrenal gland in detail so that you can understand how the endocrine system works. The adrenal cortex releases cortisol, aldosterone, and androgen hormones. These hormones have different functions, some of them including controlling the body's fats, proteins, carbs, and metabolism, as well as inflammatory reactions and allergic ones. The adrenal medulla releases epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, and norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline hormones. Adrenaline keeps blood flowing to the muscles and brain. This hormone also triggers the body's flight or fight response when a stressful situation occurs. It will help the body respond by elevating the heart rate. It also produces energy by converting glycogen in the liver into glucose. EpiPens also have epinephrine, which is used to reverse allergic reactions by increasing blood pressure when it's lowering. It also reduces the swelling of the lips, face, and throat, and combats hives. Adrenal glands interact with a linked structure to the nervous system, the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus and pituitary glands respond to the body's needs and sends out hormones that eventually stimulate the adrenal glands to produce the target hormone. As you could tell by looking at the adrenal glands, the endocrine system works very hard to produce hormones and balance them out. These hormones help us perform different functions in our body throughout our body. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that you learned a little bit about the endocrine system. And remember, hormones do play a huge role in what we do and how we do them.